Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to see an unboxing video of OnePlus Nord. The Nord packaging looks very good from outside of the box. OnePlus Nord written on the one side and this OnePlus written on the other side. On the back of the box, they have given some basic information like the price, manufactured date, and manufactured by Oppo mobiles. Nord phone comes in two color variants, blue marble color and a grey onyx color. We have got the grey onyx color variant here. Let us go right ahead and unbox the Nord phone now.
When the silence is too loud.
At first we got the Nord phone itself. This way Nord printed in its wrapper. Phone is very lightweighted and it feels very handy like most other phones and quite compact to hold in hand. We'll see about the phone in a bit. Then let's see what else we get in this box. We have some booklet information given along with a silicone textured case and the most famous combination in the smartphone world, OnePlus's very own red colored Type-C charging cable, and to power along with it, Watch Touch 30T adapter provided within the box. 30W power capacity is in this swap charging 30T adapter. OnePlus claims it will charge the phone from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. Well, we are much excited about that, aren't we? Let us just quickly check the paperwork they have given. There is a SIM ejector pin they have given, a OnePlus Nord stickers, also OnePlus stickers, and there is also a quick start guide, a safety information card, and a Red Cable Club membership card and a SAR value card. I'll tell you about this Red Cable Club membership in another video. We have also got a silicone textured case along with this phone. This case is very flexible, edges are very thick enough to provide protection to phone corners, and they also have a safety cover to protect charging port from getting dust collected. It's a very tight fitting into the port. I hope it even can protect from water damage too. Let us unwrap the phone now. This phone feels very sleek in the hand. It has only 184 grams in weight and 8.2mm thickness. On the front, it features a 6.44 inches Fluid AMOLED 1080p resolution display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has around 87% screen to body ratio, which is great in this price range. It has a bottom single fairing speaker and a Type-C charging port, a microphone, and a SIM tray array. The phone body is made of plastic and it has a metallic finish around the body. The side frame of the phone is curvy and easy enough to handle the phone in one hand. The back of the phone has a frosted glass finish. Both front and back is having Adreno Plus 5. On the right side it has alert slider which has a ring mode, a vibrate mode, and a silent modes. Power key which also access in Google Assistant trigger. On the left side we have the volume rockers. Like all OnePlus phones, the button feel clicks very tactile and the build quality is very good. Let us boot up the phone for the first time. I'm turning on the phone now. After a second or two, it turns on. The vibration motor is very little to the feel. We'll check that out in the vibration settings. Sometimes when you're holding your phone in the left hand, your finger mostly rests on the camera module, so I prefer to holding it in the right hand. We have some bezels at the bottom of the screen and just the right amount of bezels all around the sides and top of the screen. There is not any backlighting bleeding like some other mid-range phones. OnePlus have done a good job in non-display section. Let's get started on the setup. Before we do that, here is a wide screen. Let us turn the phone to the sides to check how good the viewing angles are. We are seeing a minor off-axis little amount of rainbowing, but that's not a major thing. We have seen some of the Nord phones facing a pink or a green tint issue in display when the brightness goes below 20% or less. We will check if this device has that issue. At the top we can see the top earpiece is wedged between the screen and the body. Let me quickly set up the phone while here are the main specs of Nord for you.
When the mist is over gone, there's something inside the water. Don't know where they're coming from.
The first impression for me to describe the screen is everything feels very faster and snappy. 90Hz giving such a smooth, appealing experience while scrolling and transitions. It feels like we are flying through the apps on every screens. Touch sampling rate is 180Hz. Even if it is not up to 240Hz from 8 series, this feels very great. Let me tell you how much brightness it can handle up to. Brightness can be reached up to 1000 nits with HDR content and 500 to 700 nits in normal and outdoor conditions. The type of the AMOLED panel used on the OnePlus Nord is the same Fluid AMOLED panel from OnePlus 8 series. Let me show you how pages load faster on Chrome applications. We have got the Snapdragon's latest 765G processor and 8GB of LPPDDR4 type of RAM. The fully bezel screen gives a very delightful experience while browsing the internet, scrolling through social media, and for binge watching your favorite TV shows and movies. Talking about binge watching, let's see how much storage we get out of 128GB. The system takes up to 24GB, so we get 104GB for our usage. Let us view some preloaded images in the gallery to showcase this display's vibrant colors. It supports up to 16 million colors. This Full HD Plus display comes at a resolution of 2400 into 1800 pixels with a 408 ppi. It has a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. It supports HDR10, HDR10 Plus, HLG. It also comes with sRGB and DC3P support. The camera cutout takes some of the top space, but even while watching movie or video content, it does not come in the way of obstructing your watching experience. The top left corner of the phone is the best place to put the camera. There is not a LED notification light on the top. On the top of the phone feels a little bit hard to reach with one hand usage. OnePlus gestures come in handy all the time. Nord comes with a 450 mAh battery. It can easily last throughout a day's usage. That's it for this unboxing video. Next up, I'm going to do a complete full review of the OnePlus Nord. We are going to cover all the pros and cons for you. We will be doing a various tests. There will be a fingerprint test and a face unlock test. We will also check for the infamous pink tint issue in the display test for the AMOLED screen. We will check for the HDR capability and the movie watching experience. There will be a camera performance test showing on how these quad cameras takes photos and videos. There will be multitasking and a gaming test with all the day-to-day apps we use. We will be making a PUBG gameplay test. There is a short clip on how will the gameplay performance on the Nord phone. Sound quality is very loud in the Nord phone. We didn't hear any distortion. The sound effects and voices are very clear to hear.
Someone has been here. Okay.
Thanks for watching the video. Peace out and never settle. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and drop a comment about this video and what videos you like to see in the future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.